Smartphone cameras are getting better than ever, and if you want to turn your phone into a really great video recording device, the first thing you're going to need is a way to mount it on a tripod so that you don't have to hold it and deal with that dreaded camera shake. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the iFootage Spider Crabs phone clamp. Now, iFootage did send me this phone clamp for purposes of making this video, but they have no say in the content of it, and all the thoughts in this are going to be my own. iFootage managed to do what they do best and pack a lot of features into one simple phone clamp. First and foremost, it has a rubber grip on it so you can use it as a handle or a selfie stick if you don't want to mount it on a tripod. When you're ready to mount it to a tripod, all you have to do is pull the rubber sleeve off and you get a 1/4-20 mount, and you also get a built-in Arca Swiss plate, and you even get a built-in Manfrotto type plate as well. All you have to do to use that is slide out this piece on the side of it. Now, I did find the Arca plate works perfectly. The Manfrotto plate can be a little bit loose depending on the tripod you're using it with, but it does a really good job at allowing you to have very fast capability and connectivity of your phone to a tripod. To change from portrait to vertical, all you have to do is spin your phone because the clamp is able to rotate 360 degrees. On the 1/4-20 mount, they also give you this metal locking pin, so if you want to change your angle to the left or the right, there's several integrated stops, and then you can lock it in. I really like using the built-in Arca plate because I use it with my quick releases on my other tripods and my monopod, so it makes it really easy for me to directly attach my phone. Another great thing about it is you do get a cold shoe mount on one side of the clamp. I'm using this iFootage phone clamp with my iPhone 15 Pro, and I do have a decently thick case on it, and that's where my first complaint comes in. Unfortunately, the jaws are a little bit small, so it's kind of hard to get it around the case. It just doesn't feel like it has the absolute tightest grip on it, but the phone's definitely not going anywhere when you use it. I just wish that there was a way for the jaws to accommodate for different size phone cases. Another thing about this that's both good and bad, it folds up so it's really compact and easy to store it in your camera bag or your camera case. Unlike some other phone clamps that put the 1/4-20 mount directly under the phone, this actually puts the 1/4-20 mount in front of the phone. And if you use the ultra wide lens on your iPhone, you can actually get your tripod in the shot unless you tilt the head of your tripod down and then adjust the angle of the clamp. So you have to be a little bit careful if you want to use the wide angle lens when filming or shooting pictures with this. The iFootage Spider Crabs phone clamp comes in at about $30, and I think it's worth that because of the great features it has built in. The cold shoe on the top, the Arca plate, the Manfrotto plate, and the ability to quickly change between both portrait and landscape shooting. It folds up compact, and it also makes a great little handle to use with your phone as well if you're filming yourself without a tripod. It's just a really great, easy to use phone mount for a tripod. I have links to buy the iFootage Spider Crabs phone clamp in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment, ask me any questions if you wonder anything else about this tripod mount. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.